Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Say It Right. Today's word is fascinating. It is commonly used and appreciated, but it can be tricky for some people. Psychology. Let's break it down so you can say it with confidence. First, let's look at the spelling. Psychology. Notice that silent P at the beginning? Don't let it confuse you. It's just there for show. Here's how you pronounce it. Psychology. Let's break it down step by step. Sigh. Start with a clear sigh, just like the sound you make when you're tired. Say it with me. Sigh. Col. This is the stressed part of the word. It rhymes with doll. Say it. Col. G. Finally, a smooth ending. G. It flows lightly, almost like the end of the word strategy. Now, put it all together. Psychology. One more time. Psychology. Perfect. So, what does psychology mean? It's the scientific study of the mind and behavior. Psychologists explore how people think, feel, and act. Pretty fascinating stuff, right? Here's a fun fact. The word psychology comes from the Greek word psyche, which means soul or mind, and logos, which means study or discourse. So, psychology literally means the study of the soul or mind. That gives the word some extra depth, doesn't it? All right, let's practice one last time. Psychology. Amazing, you've got it. If this video helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Say It Right, and share it with someone who loves words or is curious about psychology. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay curious.